on my left, Bernard Fernandez, Madam Roslyn Bunian. She is a executive member. Bernard Fernandez also executive member. Me as a chairman of minority department. Nazir Khan, Sajid Khan, secretary, and Alvino Aroz is a secretary for the minority department. हांव तुमकां सगळ्यांक वेलकम करता हे प्रेस कॉन्फरन्साक लागून आनी आमचे मेन आयज मुद्दो आसा म्हणल्यार ते गव्हर्मेंटान एक पिलग्रिमेज ट्रेन फ्लॅग ऑफ करपाचें आसलें 1 डिसेंबराक. सो 1 डिसेंबर जावन गेल्यार आयज 6 डिसेंबर आसा, अजून पर्यंत तेंच्यांनी कांयच करूं ना. अजून पर्यंत तेंच्यांनी कांय करूं ना, फ्लॅग ऑफ करूं ना, ना कोणाक वलंकनीक धाडला, कोण तिरुपतीक धाडला, ना कोणाक शिर्डीक धाडला. सो गव्हर्मेंट पयली स्कीम काडटा आनी पयलीच लोकांक उल्लू करता की बाबा हे स्कीम आसा म्हणून. तुम्ही स्कीम करता जाल्यार इम्प्लिमेंट करा. इम्प्लिमेंट करपाक जाय, कितें नाजाल्यार फक्त स्कीम दाखयता पॉलिटिकल स्टँडाक लागून आनी मागीर तुम्ही स्कीम फुलफील करना. आनी खुद स्वताक आमचे अर्बन डेव्हलपमेंट मिनिस्टराक 1 डिसेंबराक फ्लॅग ऑफ फ्रॉम मारगांव म्हणटालो, ते करूं ना. आनी ही स्कीम आसा इन एसोसिएट विथ सोशल वेलफेअर डिपार्टमेंट. सोशल वेलफेअर डिपार्टमेंट इन एसोसिएट विथ सेक्रेटरी आनी डायरेक्टर. तेंच्यांनी कितें सांगलेलें की बाबा हे स्किमाक लागून आमी 3 प्लेस रूट आउट केला. दॅट इज वन तिरुपती, वलंकनी आनी शिर्डी. आनी तेंचे एज कितें आसा अबोव 50. कोण 50 अबोव 50 आसा आनी कोण वलंकनीक आनी तिरुपती येता तेंचे वोटर कार्ड आनी आपले आधार कार्ड दिवपाचे. आनी फॉर्म एप्लिकेशन फॉर्म आमचो अर्बन डेव्हलपमेंट मिनिस्टर अलॉंग विथ द सोशल वेलफेअर डायरेक्टर तेंच्यांनी सांगलें की फॉर्म 1 मिलियनाच्या ऑफिसान मेळटले. सेकंड डिप्युटी कलेक्टर नाजाल्यार सोशल वेलफेअर. सो ऑन दॅट बेसीस हांवें कितें केलें, डिप्युटी कलेक्टरा कडेन एक एप्लिकेशन फॉर्म घातलें डेटेड 29/11/2021. आनी हांवें सांगलें की बाबा म्हाका थोडे फॉर्म जाय, कितें आमचे बी सायडीसून लोक वचपाक पळयता फ्रॉम मायनॉरिटी डिपार्टमेंट, ताका लागून म्हाका फॉर्म जाय. सो म्हाका लेटर कलेक्टर इन्वर्ट करपाक लागलो ना, म्हणपाक लागलो रिफ्यूज करपाक लागलो, हे आजून आमचे कडेन स्कीम येवंक ना. सो म्हणपाक लागलो तुजे कडेन कितें एविडन्स आसा. सो हांवें ताका ते व्हिडिओ दाखयले. सो ऑन दॅट बेसीस एंड इट इज क्लियरली मेन्शन द फॉर्म शूड बी टेकन फ्रॉम द डिप्युटी कलेक्टर. सो तेजे मागीर तेणें म्हाका इन्वर्ट केलें लेटर आनी म्हाका इन्वर्ट लेटर एक कॉपी मेळ्ळा. सो आयज 29 दिल्ले ते अजून पर्यंत म्हाका डिप्युटी कलेक्टराचो रिप्लाय मेळूं ना. अजून पर्यंत रिप्लाय मेळना. आतां डिप्युटी कलेक्टर म्हणटा आमचे कडेन कांयच स्कीम येवंक ना, कांयच स्कीम येवंक ना अजून पर्यंत. आय एम वेटिंग फॉर द साऊथ कलेक्टर टू गिव मी इन्स्ट्रक्शन. सो हांव कंटिन्यू 3 फावटी गेलो, तेंच्यांनी म्हाका रिप्लाय दिवना. सो हांवें सांगलें बेटर म्हाजे दीस जाले की 48 आवर्सान तेंच्यांनी रिप्लाय दिवपाक ते दिवना. आनी हितून व्हडली खबर कितें आसा की बाबा तुमी आयज पॉलिटिकल तुमी रिलिजनाक इन्वॉल्व करता आनी रिलिजन शूड नॉट मिक्स अप विथ द पॉलिटिक्स. आयज म्हाका एक देवदर्शनाक वचपाक जाय जाल्यार म्हाजे काळजांसून आनी म्हाजे स्वताचे पयशे आसपाक जाय, म्हाका गव्हर्मेंटाचे पयशे नाका. तुमी हे पॉलिटिक्स कित्याक खेळटा? आनी पॉलिटिक्स खेळटा जाल्यार फक्त वाय ओन्ली दीस तिरुपती, वलंकनी आनी शिर्डी तुमी 2 कम्युनिटीक भायर दवरला. म्हाका दिसता गव्हर्मेंटान, सीएमान आनी मिलिनान आनी सोशल वेलफेअर डिपार्टमेंटान मायनॉरिटीचे उर्फान मुल्लाक आनी चिनाक शेखाक कॉन्फिडन्सान घेवना, कित्याक तेंच्यांनी एक पिलग्रिमेज प्लेस दाखोवना तेंकां. सो हांव कितें म्हणटा उर्फान मुल्लाक आनी तुमकां सीएमान कशें भायर दवरला? तुमी द मेन आतां मायनॉरिटीचे इन्चार्ज आसा. सो तुमी विचारपाक जाय बाबा हे मायनॉरिटीचे एक पिलग्रिमेजाक तुमी भायर कित्याक दवरला? आमची कम्युनिटी कित्याक भायर दवरला? धाडटा जाल्यार सगळ्यांक धाडा, म्हणल्यार कोणाक धाड नाका. आनी धाडटा जाल्यार तुमी इम्प्लिमेंट करा न्हू. आयज पर्यंत तेंच्यांनी इम्प्लिमेंट करूं ना. 1 तारीख हांव स्वताक मारगांव रेल्वे स्टेशन वतलो फ्लॅग ऑफ करपाक लागून. सो म्हाका कोण दिसूं ना आनी म्हाका रेल्वेन सांगलें तेंकां कांयच ना. आयज तुमी लोकांक फक्त पॉलिटिकल स्टँड करून लोकांक उल्लू करपाक पळयता. लोकांचे कितें करपाक वयता की वोटिंगाक लागून आपली एक एक स्कीम करता बट इम्प्लिमेंट करना. हांव उर्फान मुल्लाक मागता आनी जिना शेख ते मायनॉरिटीचे इंचार्ज आसा सीएमा कडेन वचपाचे आनी विचार करपाक वाय ओनली दीस कम्युनिटी, वाय नॉट आवर कम्युनिटी इज इन्क्लुडेड इन दीस स्कीम. सो हेका लागून हांव म्हणटा की हे टोटल फेलियर आसा आनी गव्हर्मेंटान नेक्स्ट टायम अशी स्कीम केन्नाच करपाक जायना वीच इज रिलिजियस मॅटर. अरे ते पयशे तुमी आयज आफ्टर लॉकडाऊन इतले लोक बेकार आसा, अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट आसा, घरा कडेन कोणाचे कडेन राशन पासून ना. दॅट मनी युटिलायज इन दॅट फॅमिली. ते घरान वचून बाबा इंडिव्हिज्युअल ते घरान दियात, कितें स्कीम काडा, अनएम्प्लॉयमेंटाक स्कीम काडा, पयशे दिया तांकां, तर सक्सेसफूल जातले. फक्त रिलिजियस प्लेसार धाडपाचे आनी तुमी हे पॉलिटिकल स्टंट करपाचे, दिस इज रॉंग, दिस इज अ फेलियर अँड दिस इज अ फेकू सरकार. आयज आमी सेंटराक विचारताले ते फेकू म्हणून, आयज आमकां कळलें की स्टेट गव्हर्मेंट बी आमचो फेकू आसा, लोकांक फक्त युटिलायज करता, कांयच करना.
No, it's a welcome scheme for pilgrimage, but it should have been done much earlier, not at the eve of the election. Secondly, when we say minority are not only Catholic and Hindus or whoever. Minority includes everyone. There are Sikhs, are there, Jains, are there, Muslims, are there, Catholics, are there. There are various religious places are there. I believe if at all the government was sincere in sending people to pilgrimage, it should have given a call to every minority person and send it. Secondly, the government is spending around 1 crore and above on this tour. Like the minority chairman said, after COVID, there are people who lost their job, there are people who are struggling to make ends meet. Why not utilize this money as a good cause? It itself becomes a pilgrimage. Give it to these people in the form of ration or give out some toll so that they can sustain. And when you declare a scheme, you make it a foolproof scheme where the forms are available. If you go to the deputy collector's office, he raises his hand saying that he is not aware of it, there are no forms. So now we are made to think, is this the government, a serious government, or is it a government who just like to talk and do nothing? Like I remember CM Samant has said, 1st November all the potholes will be filled. Nothing is happening. Same thing, 1st December pilgrimage will be flagged off from Mama. Nothing has happened. So it is left for the general public to think and to analyze what this government is all about.
2 मिनिट घे संदीप.
तीन बोलो. हांव एकूच सांगूंक सोदता, ओवरऑल हे पार्टीचें नांव आसा BJP, भारतीय जुमला पार्टी. जाल्यार हेंच्यांनी अजून मेरेन सगळे जुमलाच घातलेले आहा. जाल्यार हांव मायनॉरिटी हेंचो मेन आहा, किंग मेकराचो रोल करता ती मायनॉरिटी. जाल्यार मायनॉरिटी आज जागृत जाया आनी हेंकां भायर धाडपाचो टायम येयल्लो आसा. जाल्यार तुमी चिंता, हें सगळें पिल्ग्रिमेज आनी कितें कितें खंय धाडटा तें सगळें फेक, आनी हो व्हडलो फेकू दिल्ली आहा आनी हो हिंगासर आहा तो दुसरो फेकू. जाल्यार तुमी हें चिंतून मातशें वोटींग करतना तुमी चिंतून करात.
No, I have a question. He had taken a name of Urfan Mullah, who recently joined to the BJP.
Yeah.
You mean to say he is voiceless after joining to the BJP?
It's usual. It's not. It's just थिंगा कित्याक गेला आपले बेनिफिट घेवपाक. तें मायनॉरिटीचे कितें इश्यू.
So when he is a spokesperson, you are making a big help.
Yeah, I'm telling you now. See, if this scheme is utilized, why Irfan Mullah have not involved himself in that scheme? Why only these people? Why not minority? He have right to ask the CM also, no? Because he is in the BJP. He is a spokesperson. He have to clarify why these pilgrim people are kept away. This is the simple. Even Jina I am talking. Even is the senior most guy in the BJP. He have to raise the voice. Why we should? Because their scheme is there. They should take confidence in Irfan Mullah and Mr. Jina Sheikh. But government have not taken. That means they are just utilizing them.
Urfan Mullah, when left the Congress, he said he joining the BJP because Congress is not the voice of the minority. Now you are saying after joining to the BJP also he is not able to raise the voice for the minority?
Tell me, show me. On what this he have raised the voice. There is a lot of issues going in India. Being a minority, just raise, Baba, just condemn the things. But he have not done anything. Not a single thing. You show me one where he have raised. He have said only the Muslim this time will vote BJP. On what basis you are telling that Muslim will vote BJP? On what basis? What BJP have done for this minority community? सीएम म्हणटा आम्ही कम्युनल ना अरे इतले कम्युनल चलपा लागला इंडियान गोयन तर तुम्ही तेजेर काय सेक्शन त्यांचे कंडेम पासून करना सो यू आर गिविंग वन साइड फ्री हँड and this time we are telling Baba no we are not communal because our PM had gone to meet Pope in Rome and all. No, this is not thing. You have to see each and every. See, PM is for the public, not for the particular party. It's not for the particular party. PM is have to take everybody into confidence. There is a lot of clashes going on. You see the Tripura, you see the Gurgaon thing. The lot of issues are there. Nobody, not a single person. Forget about BJP top leader. The person who have inducted in the BJP. Even he should raise the voice, Baba, this is the thing going on. CM, you have to condemn this. No. तो कांयच करना. हांव आतां मायनॉरिटी घेवन बसला आनी मायनॉरिटीक लागून हांव कांयच इश्यू घेना जाल्यार आय एम युजलेस फॉर दीस. I am telling personally to Irfan Mullah, being a BJP, your government is there, your central government is there. You have to condemn each and everything which is going against this committee.
Achha, my last question. As the election is approaching close by, in recent of the time we have seen the Vasco MLA has played a card of the minority card. And again, this is the second time we are hearing about the minority issue. Like Congress on 35% which is holding the minority. Is that an election propaganda or something?
So you are talking about the BJP candidate?
No, minority card.
No. We are talking about which MLA? You have to mention me the name.
Kalu Sarveda.
Kalu right now is a BJP MLA. Against BJP MLA, we don't want to speak anything because they are the failure government, failure MLA, failure minister. I don't want to speak anything. If somebody is doing good work, whether in any party, we'll salute him. But काय करना जाल्यार कित्याक तेंची बरें सांगपाक जाय. See, whatever their movement is that their high command this will think. But right now, he is a BJP candidate. I can't talk against him or I can't talk in favor of him.
Speaking about the minority, what are the other problems the minority people are facing?
See, first of all, not Vasco, it's the entire Goa I'm talking. The minority commission, which was implemented in center, till today they have not implemented in Goa. After putting a many memorandum, till today the minority commission is not put. In that minority commission there is a 15-point program. Second thing, there is a minority cooperation development, which again is pending in Goa. Third, Hajj committee. It was allotted in Sakwa, Hajj house. Hajj house. Till today, Jinnah have not done anything about the Hajj house. He have shown us the dream. Baba, here we are coming with the Hajj house and all. Till today, 10 years are passed. To construct one house, it take 10 years. So that means the leader who is sitting with the BJP, they are the failure. They have not done anything to the minority committee. I am sorry to say that. If our government comes, I will take this issue as a minority commission, minority cooperation development and Hajj house. It will be in our agenda, in our manifesto, in Congress manifesto this time. And I will take a lead for this. Okay, madam?
Yes, sir.